Basic terms in geometry. In this video, we will introduce you with basics of geometry. Let's start off with the word geometry. This word is derived from the Greek words geo and metron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. So, geometry means earth measurement. All that we can see around us, all that we can measure around us is all part of geometry. Let us start at a very basic level, that is a point. A point is basically a dot like this. It is denoted by an English capital letter like A, B, C, etc. It does not have any dimensions. If we draw several points together in a row, then what we will get is known as a line. A line is a straight, one-dimensional figure that can be extended infinitely in both the directions. There are two ways of naming a line. We can either name it using an English small letter or by making 2 points on it and naming the points by 2 English capital letters. Now, let us suppose there are 2 points. If we connect them by a straight line, then what we get is known as a line segment. A line segment is a straight line which has 2 endpoints and a fixed length. We can name a line segment using its 2 endpoints. Let us now take a single point and move it in one direction only. Then, the figure that we obtain is known as a ray. A ray is a straight one-dimensional figure that can be extended infinitely in one direction only. A ray is also named in the same way as a line segment. If there exists a line passing through 3 or more distinct points, then the points are called collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear points. Here, points C, D and E are collinear, while points F, G and H are non-collinear. Let us now extend the geometry and add another dimension to it. For this, let us draw several lines together in a row. Then, the figure that we obtain is known as a plane. A plane is basically a smooth surface like a sheet of paper. It has 2 dimensions, that is, length and breadth. If we have 2 distinct lines on a plane, then there are 2 possibilities. The 2 lines will either intersect each other at a point or they will never meet each other at any point on the plane. In the first case, lines are called intersecting lines, while in the second case, lines are known as parallel lines. If 3 or more lines on a plane intersect at a single point, then these lines are called concurrent lines. Let us now extend the geometry a little further and add another dimension to it. For this, let us draw several planes together in a row. Then, the figure that we obtain is known as a solid. A solid is basically a 3-dimensional figure that has shape, size and position and can be moved from one place to another. This leads us to the conclusion that a point does not have any dimension. A line has 1 dimension, a plane has 2 dimensions and a solid has 3 dimensions. These are the basic terms that we use very often in geometry.